Like peas in a pod. Understanding this unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom that's as colorful as it is common. Like peas in a pod. This phrase is not just about vegetables. It's a vibrant way to describe similarity and closeness between people or things. Let's dive into what makes this idiom so special and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. The phrase, like peas in a pod, is used to describe two or more entities that are very similar to each other. Not just in appearance but often in behavior, interests, or characteristics. Imagine opening a pod and finding peas that look almost identical. This visual is the essence of the idiom. It emphasizes closeness, inseparability, and a high degree of similarity. Though the exact origins of the phrase are hard to pinpoint, it's believed to have agricultural roots, dating back to when observing nature closely was a part of daily life. Peas in a pod are a direct, observable example of similarity and uniformity, making this phrase a natural way to express the concept of likeness between people or objects. Like peas in a pod can be used in various contexts, from describing the close relationship between friends or siblings to commenting on the similarity between objects or ideas. Here are a few examples. My sister and I are like peas in a pod. We share the same hobbies and tastes. Those two ideas are like peas in a pod, nearly identical in concept and execution. This idiom is versatile and can be a charming addition to your English language toolkit, perfect for emphasizing similarities in a poetic and vivid way. This idiom also holds a cultural significance in the English-speaking world, often used to depict the strength of relationships or the depth of similarities. It's a testament to the value placed on close bonds and shared experiences, reflecting the importance of connection and unity in human relationships. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, like peas in a pod. It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the beauty of simplicity and similarity. Whether you're talking about people, ideas, or objects, this phrase helps you convey closeness and likeness with a touch of poetic imagery. Until our next video, keep exploring the richness of the English language and its colorful expressions. See you soon!